Simple things that will surely help you in affiliate marketing. Some affiliate marketers will ultimately fall victim to companies who promise proven methods upon sign-up. Other marketers will fail due to a lack of understanding. We could keep going on for a year here, there are just that many ways to fail. If you want to know how you can succeed, check out this video. After you've made a sale on your site, offer your new customer a chance to be an affiliate. By offering a customer a chance to make a commission when he sells your products, you can turn one sale into 1,000 potential sales. This can be a great way to do marketing on the internet. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, hone in on a niche market and provide your visitors with valuable information that will increase their confidence in you. Recommending quality affiliate products that your visitors are interested in will earn you money as well as increase your visitors' trust in you. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, search for companies that offer front-end as well as back-end commissions. This will allow you to earn multiple commissions from each customer that you refer to the affiliate company's site, and allow you to develop a long-term relationship with your affiliate company. You will want to consider what products you are linking to. Doing the homework to determine how to organize affiliate links within your website may take a bit of time, but the effort is handsomely rewarded as the profits start to roll in. Affiliate websites can often differ in quality. Some can be difficult or frustrating to navigate. An enthusiastic website owner is not going to be deterred by an affiliate site that is not designed well. Besides helping visitors get around, this service engenders trust, which makes more purchases likely. To make money through your affiliate marketing efforts, you should check out the homepage of the product, and make sure that it is well written and sales driven. Does it make you want to buy the product? If you are sending the page hits, you need to make sure that they are clicking through and making a purchase. The tips you've just watched here talk about a few tips and tactics you can try in order to increase your odds of success. Any market is going to be fickle, and the highly competitive field of affiliate marketing needs a new dictionary to properly explain how it can sometimes act. Make sure you're always putting yourself in the best position by using the tips you've watched here. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.